Hi sir, mayong gabi eh. So wala na unong pagkitag noong kay ngit-ngit na kayo. So ako di ay si Johnny Lugumapak from section 2B. So tonight we're driving into the world of algorithms, especially looking at how to find maximum value and in array and analyzing its time and space complexity. Mauna ako ng sample array of numbers 5, 2, 9, 1, 5, 6. The algorithm is the pretty straightforward. We initialize a variable maximum to first element of the array. Then we iterate through the rest of the array, comparing which element of max value. If you find of an element larger than max value, we update max value to the element. The step-by-step. Animate the algorithm step-by-step, highlighting the current element being compared as the updating max value. Step 1 is max value is 5. Step 2, compare to with 5, max value remains 5. Step 3, compare 9 with max value. I mean 9 with 5, max value becomes 9. Step 4, compare 1 with 9, max value remains 9. Step 5, compare 5 with 9, max value remains 9. Step 6, compare 6 with 9, max value remains 6. So as you can see, after the entering through the entire array, max value hold the largest value, which is 9. Let's talk about time complexity. The worst case scenario, we have to iterate through the entire array. This means the number of operation is directly proportional to the size of the array, and therefore the time complexity is O(n), which is the linear time complexity. This means that if you double the size of array, the time it takes to find the maximum value will roughly double as well. Then the space complexity is the O(1), which is the constant. This is because we only need a single variable, max value, to store the maximum value found so far. The amount of extra space used to thus change with the size of the input array. In summary, the algorithms for finding the maximum value in array has time to complexity of O(n) and a complete space complexity of O(1). So, moro to sir. Thanks for watching. For watching.